Hey guys, welcome back to Minute Mondays. I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna go ahead and be calling out all my Asian babes or babes who also have lashes that go straight down and don't really hold a curl well. We are talking about mascaras today. I have stick straight lashes that go like this. They go down and they don't hold a curl very well. I do use waterproof mascara to hold those curls up. That is just what I do. Plus I am also a very emotional person, so every so often I will cry and tear up. So waterproof is my best friend. So my go-to pieces for mascara for Asian eyes or any eyes, particularly Asian eyes, because these kind of fit better towards your eye shape for the Asian eye. If you can see, it's not as like fully curled as most eyelash curlers. This is from Shu Imura. Oh no, I take that back. Shu Imura is a good one too, but this one's from Shiseido. This one is one that I've had for 8 years. They last a really long time as long as you don't break them. And this one is one of my favorites. I always change these out every so often. So every like year, 2 years, I change these out. And yeah, I go ahead and go snip, snip, curl, curl. Well, it's not snip, snip. It's not scissors. But you definitely go in like that, push up, and I would curl at the base of my lashes. And then come out like so, bringing it up and doing that like thing. Like my sound effects? They're nice, huh? But yes, I will go ahead and do that about twice, sometimes 3 times, mainly focusing at the base because I really like that lifted lash look. Alright, lashes are curled. They're nice and curly and long-ish looking. So they're up, right? Then I will usually go in. So this is one of my favorite things. I discovered this about a couple years ago through my sister because she used it. And because I'm in Korea, I finally got my hands on it again and I like stocked up on it. I'm going to stock up on it before I leave. The thing that I'm talking about is the Dr. Mascara, if it'll focus, Fixer. This is in the long curl lash one, long lash up curl fix. So this is kind of like a primer for me. This has actual fibers in them that, you know, attach to your lashes and make them look a little longer, and it's a clear base, and this will also help fix your lashes. So if you're into the mascaras that aren't waterproof, you can use this first. This will hold your curl and then go in with the non-waterproof mascaras. So these are kind of like how long they look so far, but I'm gonna actually go ahead and go in with another waterproof mascara. This is a Japanese one that I got recently. Is it gonna focus? It's very similar in that sense. It has the same curved brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this one too, so let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so that's kind of what it looks like. My lashes look like this. They're pretty natural, I would say. They're longer than what I would naturally have for sure because of the extra fibers, but that's just kind of my tip. That's my Monday Minute tip, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So don't forget to go ahead and check out all my other videos and to go check all those out. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.